Good evening, traders. Good evening, Philippines. And once again, I'm back on. Again, today is Monday. It's December 14th, and we are now in the morning session. So before I go on, here is the usual disclaimer. So, any comments made during this live stream uh, should not be taken as an order to enter trades, nor should it be considered as trading advice. This live stream is strictly for educational purposes only to illustrate how I trade the legacy setups or the legacy strategy that I teach my students, and any past performance of the legacy strategy is not indicative of future results. I must also emphasize that I am neither a licensed nor professional trading advisor. I am a retail trader, so just want to get that out of the way. Once again, this live stream is strictly for educational purposes only. So with that said, there we go. We finally took off here. See, I did some trades. Missed this trade right here, and basically, I was looking at that, and I'm just gonna follow this. So now here I think this is the trade we took. Hit this blue, right, and then what happened was now most likely it's gonna hit the extension up here. Hopefully we get a pullback here, because that pullback is that where we're going to enter. Now you remember when I said +3 deviation, I mentioned this earlier. Most likely there's our target right there. I just want to get a pullback to enter. It's me more advanced move, but right now my account, what am I? I'm down 298 so basically 298 with commissions. I took some trades right here, but I should have just stuck with this right here. But that's that's okay. Again, it's manageable. So we'll see how far this is going to come down here for a pullback. And let me see here. So let's look at the more of the. You can find it here. Hold on. That's not it. Looking for another chart. That's why. Yeah, this is it. As you can see here, you might get a pullback where I'm looking for right now, right here. So this is what I'm looking at. More of the zoomed out graph or chart. So here's our during the opening or the opening of the day, we had that gap up. We never really gapped back down. So that's where we're at right now. Um, Bouncing off this 20 EMA. And now it may pull back again down to here. So let's see what happens here. Obviously, our overall trend and our immediate trend is basically up. So now we're at that +2 deviation. We're looking to maybe hit right here. That's where my entry is. Basically, it's like the outer edge of the +1 deviation. This may hit here and come back up again. That's what I'm expecting. Well, like this, it's going to hit this 20. That's a 20 moving average. Let's see if it's going to bounce off there. It's going to bounce off there, which okay. Let's see if it's going to continue here. If not, I got my. So right now, with the VWAP, we're now. We'll see. It's going to get down in the +1 deviation, get back to 2 +2 deviation, and hopefully +3. Usually, when it hits that +2 deviation, right, it's going to come back to +1, then +2, then +1, and I'll see if it's going to break out to the +3. But that's how it usually goes. So I'm waiting for a pop out of this. Um, if not, may go all the way down. So we'll see if it's going to come back. And again, I'm trading one contract here. I don't want to be risking
Order
more than
filled.
that. Okay, there we are. Stop is basically, you can adjust this to tighten our risk. So there we are. I'm looking to at least get up to here. Let's see. At the most, really up to there. Let's see if it's going to pop all the way up there or not. Okay, so we'll just do it right here for now. Again, this is all based on the VWAP and all the deviation levels. Let's see if we get a pop here. We already broke out of this one, so let's see if we can break out of here. That'd be at least 2 points there. So at 25. So let's say right there, 89. That's around 4 points or 3 points. We get stopped out here. We get stopped out here. This is fine because I can enter here. It's be a better entry for me.
Stop filled.
There it is. Okay. So let's see here. 84.
Order filled.
I'd rather get this one rather than the other one. So that's a loss there. So my question is, how far will this? There we are. So now we can bring this stop. If there's a pivot right here, swing high. There's our. So maybe we're looking at the most right here. Where we enter 50. Yeah. We may see, maybe I can bring it up to here. It's up there. Let's see if it's going to hit that. Okay, wait. If we get a pop here. Adjust it up there. Looks like it's going to pass there. So again, these were aggressive trades up here, which I had to lay off that. This is more your optimal entry right there. So this is going up. Let's see. So I'm expecting, so we have this pop and comes back down here. We're going to have another pop. So basically snap, crackle, and pop. It should pop back up. Oh, it should. That's what I'm expecting. So this is going to hit this down there. I am just going to protect my. So we may not get all the way up here. Let me see if I can get 2 points out of this. 86.25. That's 3 points at least. I'm gonna see if it's gonna break this. Some of that resistance there. Okay, I don't know how it's going to react here, but it's going to break through because I've been testing that so many times and it just kept on not breaking it. So now it's going to test this. So now watch it break now. Just want to make sure I got enough of that. It was, so now it's going to go up here now. Should have been more patient with that trade. See if I can get a pullback here.
Order submitted.
Really not that much momentum. It probably just break this and then kill the momentum again. Let's see. One, two. I'd rather have it down here. Again, most likely this is going to be zigzag, or should I say grinding its way up to here. That's why I don't want to do this breakout or this breakout trade, because most likely they're going to break out then come back down. Let's see, they're going to break this out right here on 25. Yeah. See, they did that breakout from here, one tick, and they didn't bring it down. See, that's what they did.
Order filled.
Okay, there's my. Let's see if they grind it back up. I might have to settle with that 2. I'll take that 2 points. Let's see if it's going to break that. You see how they bring that down? They can bring it up, then they're just grinding this out. Don't tell me they're gonna try it. Okay, let me do this. One second. You're gonna go with the grind again. You're gonna do this up and down, up and down. Let's see how patient we can be. If we can grab this, that'd be around what for? Let's see here. Close to 5 points if we can get this. It's around 4.75. Again, it's grinding its way up there. It's not a straight line, just grinding up there. So that's around 150. You can see it's writing this thing here. Let me see if I can just put a maybe right around there. 50. Let's see. Yeah, I won't even.
Stop filled.
And once again, the momentum just killed itself. So basically, I got a little piece of that. So we got a lower here. So I don't know if it's going to continue going down. Let me try to test.
Order submitted. Order filled.
So let's see what's going to do here. Will it continue going down or will it continue going up? I'll put my stop there, that's for sure.
Stop filled.
Okay, so obviously it's going to be going up. We had a shift in the momentum there. We're going to wait for a shift to go up. Right now it's in between right now, so I don't want to get into. Let me see here. New. Let me see if it's going to give me an accurate reading here. 14. And so far it does. Yeah, okay. So let's say I started though. Right here. So I'm approximately down, let me see here, $50 for the morning session. As you can see right here. That's where I started. Morning session opens right here, 9:33. I was already down 150. Right now my balance is 200. So technically, my morning session is down $50. For the day, I'm down 200. Again, ain't bad. Just waiting for a good. I'm waiting for a good breakout. Right now, it's just nothing. You see this? There's really nothing going on. We might as well just scalp this. Maybe 5 ticks at the most. 6 ticks. I mean, 6 ticks. So right now, that's what it's doing. Really nothing. I may just wait on this. See what happens later. So for the morning session, I'm down $50. For the day, I'm down 200. Like I said, the market moves better during the overnight, even the overnight or even the pre-market open session moves a lot better. Here you have all these grindy behavior going on. You have the erratic behavior that's going on. So you have to filter out all that. So we actually don't have it really changed. Our immediate momentum right now is down. I'm waiting it for it to shift to the up position, but right now it's down. So probably want to see a reset here. But you're seeing higher lows, so you really don't want to get in a short trade here. I'm just going against the grain. The overall trend right now is up. But if I want to get in a trade here, I want to make sure that the immediate momentum is up. Right now, it's immediate momentum is down. Immediate momentum is down. Overall momentum is up. And we're in the +1 deviation right now. Just going to try to get it +2. Really not really giving me a clear entry here. So I'll just wait.
Order submitted. Order filled. Stop filled.
And they're just gonna be bringing this up and down like this. Look at that. It's just really flat. Let me just quit this for today. Down. I lost 75 there, so I'm down 275 for the day. Very hard to just you have to be patient to really get this trade here because I know it's going to break it out. They usually break it out during I know it's just flat. So let's see if they're going to try to break it out here. This is basically tough to trade. Like I said, 275. I'm down 275. That's manageable. And I'm just going to wait for a good setup here. So now we're technically, our immediate momentum is up. Our overall momentum is up, so which is good. So we're just going to wait for some momentum to go to the upside here. Because I know they might try to just bring this up and down, like, up and down here. There's really no momentum. Let me see here. This would be around right here. See what they do.
Order submitted. Order filled.
So now, see, now they're going to try to bring this down, even though they have right now the momentum is still the immediate momentum is up, but now they're going to just chop it up here. They're not making it easy, that's for sure. So let me see if we can do at least, how many points is that? 89, 99. Pretty good. So we'll see if they can pop it and hit my target at least. Again, here's the high of the day. Let's see if they're gonna bust. They're gonna break out of the high of the day. And then he's gonna bring the. Let's see what they're gonna do here. They're gonna chop this up. They bring momentum up, then they bring it back down all of a sudden with no really tough market to trade. So you have to be patient. Let's do this. Let's get maybe 6 ticks out of this thing because it won't make it up to here. I know that. Let me see, 89, 91, 90, 50. Yeah, there's around 6 ticks. Let's get 6 ticks out of this at least. Until they can prove to me they can break it out, but right now it's basically 6 ticks. Okay, so there's the momentum now, but I'm gonna leave it at 6. Okay, we got that. See, now there's the momentum. Now will they follow through with this breakout? Which I think they are now, especially when I bring down my profit target. Again, there's really no momentum there. As you can see, that's what they did. Really, it's a bad market to trade.
Order submitted.
There's the breakout we were looking at. In fact, I was looking really to enter here, but I didn't want to take a risk. It was me too aggressive of a trade. So there we have a breakout to the downside. Um, so we'll wait for a pullback here. So now you're getting a lot of these high momentum bars right there. Strong momentum bars, I should say, not high, but strong momentum bars. Again, they usually, those are what you call it erratic. They turn it on and then they turn it off. So those are strong momentum bars. One to the up, one to the down. There's the big drop. Hmm.
Order filled.
Let's do a scalp here.
Stop filled.
Again, more erratic bars right there.
Order submitted. Order filled. Stop filled.
Okay, with that, this market is going nowhere. Really going nowhere. It's very erratic, hard to trade. I'm gonna just cut my losses right now. Where am I here with my? Here we are. Should be around 325, right? Yep, down 325, and this most likely is gonna try to get to here. So let me see here. I'll try to do this. This will be my last trade right here. This definitely is gonna be my last trade.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Okay, that's what I needed. That's the trade I was looking for. Got 4 points out of that, but still down 125 for the day. I'll keep it that way. I will take that. It's the way the market is moving right now. So now we have some momentum to the downside. Look at that. So now big drop. Big drop. So let's see. Now we have really momentum here to the downside. So let's see what we can do here. If we're going to do this, it might be moving too fast.
Order submitted. Order filled. stop filled. Order submitted.
Got a little too greedy over here. Right here. I should have just at least took this from here. I mean, when I took this entry right here, that would have been 72.75. Yeah, right there would have I hit my 2 points. I would have hit my 2 points. Right now I'm down 225, so this will definitely be my end.
Order filled.
Let's see what happens here. This may overrun for a bit. Hopefully it doesn't right now. I probably put it right here. Okay, I'm done for the day. This market is really tough. So basically, I am down 50 for the day. So what I made up in the morning session here, I was down as much as 150. I made 100. So now this is going to be going down here, down to it's going to test this low of the day. I could have stayed all the way down through, but you know what? That's what I tried to do over here. What did it do? It just almost it just bit me in the butt. Now they did it the same thing here. I didn't want to take too much, and this time I didn't take too much, and now it just drops. So really can't really say anything about that. You know what? It's about trading psychology, but I got more than what I got there. So, anyways, I'm happy. I'm done 50 for the day. In fact, let me show it to you guys here. I can find it right here. Clear this out. Basically, I was just scalping, and there it is, 50 for the day. I started off at 9:30, which is right here. You can see when I started off, I was 150 down. I'm now 50. So basically, the morning session, I made $100. That's about it. And I will probably see what's going on in the afternoon session, but I think I'm pretty much done for the day. The way this market is moving, it's really erratic, and I don't want to risk anymore. I'm happy with the $50 that I'm down. Okay, so I will talk to you guys tomorrow, or most likely the pre-market open, see how the market is moving then. Okay. Enjoy the rest of your evening. What time do you start, bro? Demo. Good job. Who's the Facebook user that is, did much better than I did. And that's what I like. Hopefully those are traders who I've been teaching, but demo. And I'd rather have my traders, that my students, do better than I do. That's the goal. So now here, looking at this trade here. This is basically, this may overrun. Let's see if that overruns, but we'll see what happens here. This could be a good trade. I don't want to risk these. Yeah, see, it's going to overrun for a bit. Let me see here.
Order submitted.
Let's do a small. We're going to have a tight stop here.
Order filled.
Okay, we're going to have a tight stop. Right there.
Stop filled.
And that's what I'm talking about. So basically, I'm down 100. That's what I want to do. So I wanted to test that because this was definitely going to be looking to go down, but now we're going up. Take one more trade, because if I take this, if this is going to be a long trade, I want to make sure it's a high probability entry. I know where the target is. Let me see.
Order submitted.
Okay, this qualified. Definitely my last trade. This is basically a high probability trade right here. We'll see. If it can hit my trade, let me see, maybe one more. Tick up. Right there. So basically, the last trade I took was a loss of 4 ticks. So I get more than 4 ticks here. If I can get 8 ticks, which are basically 2 points, I'm good. I'll be basically even for the day.
Order filled.
There we are. So let's see around right here. It's going to be a little over than 2 points. So looking at maybe right here to be sure. So we're looking at 3 points, which is good if we can get it. Yeah, who's the Facebook user? Who are you? Your resistor 3678. If I look at this, no, it's going to probably hit the VWAP right here. That's where it's going to go. Watch. It's going to hit the VWAP at around 3680.75. My target is here because I just want to make sure that I get enough here for. It's definitely going to get up here. It's going to test as a VWAP. That's where it's going to go. So one more per share, I should be good. That'd be at least 4 points. A little over, maybe 4.25 points. Let's see if we can get a swing high up here. Looks like we can. there.
Stop filled.
Okay, so I'm even for the night. For the day, I should say. 36.78. You call that a 36.78? Pretty close. You did your 37. You were off by one tick. Very good. But I know this is going to hit there. It's eventually going to get up to here to the VWAP. Not what, like I said, they usually shut this momentum off and then they bring it up and then they shut it off. So we shall see here. They'll bring it. See, it's going to continue now. Which I could have had my stop here, but then again, I just want to make sure I made my 2 points there. So I'm basically done. I'm pretty much even for the day. Let me see if I can bring that up again. And do I have it here? Yeah, we do. And there it is, even. So for the day, I made 150. That's, and you can see here I was down as much as what, 312 or 412.50. Right. So pretty much even for the day. I'll take that from being down 400. So talk to you guys tomorrow. This will probably, like I said, work itself up to here, at least to here, to the yellow, or the VWAP. It's just going to take its time getting up there. Okay, whoever the Facebook user is, great trade. Keep it up. Glad you made 287.50. Continue practicing. Let me know, when you get just and start doing the funding. Because today was a tough market to trade if you know where you are, where the market is going, where your targets are. I kind of over traded, but basically made it up. And like me, my fault sometimes is I'm too much of an aggressive trader. I just have to follow the rules, right? And I think when you get, the rules pretty well, and then you start trying to be quote unquote cocky, trying to be aggressive. More simpler way of saying is more aggressive trades. If I just stick with the rules, I know where the rules are. Definitely be very profitable. As you can see with my students, they follow the rules to better than I do. But anyways, I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Enjoy the rest of your evening, and we'll see what happens during the pre-market open tomorrow. See, look at this now. They're bringing this up. There we go. I'm pretty much happy with even. Okay, so I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Enjoy the rest of the evening. God bless. Bye bye.